How to add WhatsApp number on Facebook Marketplace. The first things first is access your Facebook Marketplace and just go directly to your account profile. It's going to be located at the top right corner, which you will see your profile picture, and head to your settings, scroll down, and then go to access your information. Now just tap on continue. From here, scroll down once again, go to personal information. Now once you're here, under profile information, just tap on see more for us to be able to tap on your contact information. So tap on that. Now this is where all the websites and phone numbers we have associated with our Facebook account. Now you just have to add your mobile number and as well as the WhatsApp applications site. So just choose on add website and you will also be having an option or a field right there for you to input your mobile number. So that's it. That's how you can add WhatsApp number on Facebook Marketplace.